Introducing the PROMOTECH MCM 4000, a revolutionary 5-in-1 machine. Designed to transform the manufacturing process for onshore and offshore wind towers. PROMOTECH MCM machines have been used for years in many leading wind tower production facilities in the energy sector and has found wider application in other fields such as shipbuilding industry, nuclear power plants, and pressure vessel tanks on all continents. This powerful and versatile system combines measurement, scanning, cutting, beveling, and welding, all in one compact portable CNC solution. The MCM 4000 is a 5-axis portable CNC machine that excels in cutting, beveling, and inside and on top welding. It's available in various configurations, depending on customer requirements, with customizable CNC working areas to fit your specific needs. Equipped with an oxy-fuel cutting and beveling kit, the MCM 4000 can handle both single V and double-sided bevels, ensuring top-quality weld preps every time. Setup is quick and easy, making it possible for a single operator to handle the entire process. Each workpiece is scanned to automatically generate individual CNC cutting, beveling, and welding paths. This precision guarantees a perfect root gap between 1 and 3 millimeters and reduces the welding defect rate to less than 1%. The PROMOTECH MCM 4000 features AC/DC submerged arc welding head that dramatically increases deposition rates and productivity. It's significantly cutting down labor and overhead costs, the largest components of welding expenses. Whether you're working on door frames or ventilation holes inside wind tower sections, the MCM 4000 is your go-to solution. It performs semi-automatic 3D CNC oxy-fuel cutting and beveling, followed by precision submerged arc welding, both inside and outside the tower sections. It eliminates production bottlenecks and delivers consistent, high-quality results, making it an essential tool for any wind tower manufacturer. Choose the PROMOTECH MCM 4000 for your onshore and offshore wind tower projects. Accelerate your production. This versatile machine is also ideal for broader applications in industries such as shipbuilding, nuclear power plants, and pressure vessel tanks manufacturing. Boost your efficiency with PROMOTECH.